Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the 5 best AI tools that every 3D artist should know about. These tools can save your time, enhance creativity and take your projects to the next level. First one is NVIDIA Gauguin. This AI-powered tool turns sketches into photorealistic images perfect for environmental concept art and textures. Second, ZBrush AI-powered plugins. With features like ZRemesher and Dynamesh, these tools automatically optimize your 3D models, saving hours of manual retopology. Third, Runway ML. Use AI to generate textures, stylize renders, and even animate scenes effortlessly. Fourth, Clara.io. This online platform uses AI for real-time collaboration and 3D rendering, allowing you to work from anywhere. And fifth, DALL-E for 3D concept art. Leverage OpenAI DALL-E to create concept art based on text prompts, perfect for quick brainstorming. That's it for today. Let me know in the comment section which tool you will try first. Thank you for watching.